Hi Excel and Mac users. In this video I'll show you how to insert a header or a footer in your Excel file. So to insert a header or footer, all you need to do is go under Insert. Well, let's actually make a file. Let's take out this particular file and make it a little bit more visual. I'm going to click a new file from a template and let's pick this channel marketing file. We'll create this one and let's bring it into view. We'll close this one. We don't need this one anymore. Let's bring this one into view. Let's see. That looks pretty good. And let's say we have this marketing budget thing and we want to have a header and we go to insert and conveniently enough under insert is this header and footer. Page layout view. Oh, this particular file automatically freezes the frame. You can see these lines here where if you go up and down you see that they stay constant, right? We don't, well, when we turn when we turn the header and footer off, when we go into the header and footer off, it's going to turn off that particular feature. So you can see we've got a couple options here. If we wanted to have Excel automatically placed some particular things like the file name or these other words, confidential, page one, it'll put it in its appropriate place. You'll see, for example, if I put the file name, this is the file name channel marketing budget file. If I put that in, it's going to put it in the middle here. Control C to undo that. Let's get back into insert header and footer. But if you didn't want that in the middle, now it's put something in there. You want it off to the left side here. You can put the file name here, and it's going to put it in there. And to view that, you can just go under the print. Well, we got to get out of the this mode here and go under File, Print, and you can get a preview of it. Oh, it already shows it up here since we're in the page layout view. You can see it shows up here, right? Of course, there's other options, right? So if we go back into header view, delete that, and have Excel kind of determine where to put it for us, you can click on that. It puts it right in the middle. Go back into the header and footer, click on the header and footer. There you can see there's a bunch of options you can choose from here. Or if you kind of wanted to kind of pick and choose things that you want to put in there, maybe you want a date. You want a date here. You can put the current date here. You can see that that format will add the date there. If you wanted to go to the footer and put information down there, you can say page one of something. It will go down to the footer. If I go down, scroll down here, you can see we have our page one of two, etc. And you want to put something like confidential. You can also do something like that. If I click on the footer here, you get my header and footer contextual menu. We can say it doesn't have that in here, so let's go and see what we have in header and footer. We can put something like confidential, or we can just type it in, right? You can put confidential. That's going to show up. Now we're in the page layout view. You can see confidential is going to show up for each of the pages here, right? We have page 2 of 2. We have page 1 of 2. Now something that people might also like to do is insert an image. Maybe they have a logo of their particular company. You can put that where it will repeat on the header of each page. All you need to do is go back to header and footer. You can see now you have this picture available, this picture icon, the command. Click on that. And let's see if I have a picture available. Let me go find a picture. I've already got a picture available here, so I'm going to click on that. It's just the finder icon, insert, and it's inserted that picture there. You don't see it, but if I click out of the header and footer view, now you're going to see that picture available. And if I scroll down, since I'm in page layout view, you can see that picture shows up again and again. And that's how we can put headers and footers into our Excel files. Let me see if I can decrease the size of this so you can get a better view of it. So now I've got my file name, I've got my date, that repeats. Also, I've got my page 1 of 2, my confidential for my footer, and that repeats. This repeats for each subsequent page. So that's how you add headers and footers into your Excel file on the Mac version of Excel. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.